Well, there it is, Victoria. What is a more than that? 4 o'clock down. Although it does play a variety of different things. Let's see if our manager can show us what else it does here, Ken.
It'll play through the remote. It'll play "America the Beautiful," taps, and a funeral bell toll. The purpose of the remote is for special events.
Okay. That must be something to develop, right?
The clock has a couple thousand songs that for different holidays and has to be programmed. The town has not programmed the clock yet for those. Currently, it just tolls and it does the railroad whistle, the actual Virginia railroad train whistle. It plays that a little bit after 12, so it avoids the toll of 12, and then it'll play it.
Oh.
So we still have to program it for other events.
Right.
But that'll be coming up shortly. It's just going to take a little time before we have it programmed.
Well, let's hear a couple of other tunes and little ditties on there if we might.
America the Beautiful.
A singing clock. Or is it a singing rock? Very, very nice. Been a lot of, just talking to people in the street, been a lot of positive reaction out here.
There has been.
Really nice.
It's been quite effective in changing our image and hoping that it will in turn attract future businesses.
Sure.
Obviously it doesn't guarantee anything, but at the same time it can't hurt for your town to look better to attract business.
Absolutely.
There is a few things we have to still dress up in this area. As you can see, the wiregrass is an issue.
Right.
And we're going to have it redone with some heavier fabric and try to get that sprayed. So that's a change order that we're going to have done.
Okay. And I think there's some new going on with some of the trees are on the street that's happening.
We're going to
change up for
that.
that.
We're not going to plant them until November 1st. After November 1st, which is a better time period.
They call it summer because it's hot. This summer has been extremely hot. I think everybody would admit.
And then taps is on here also.
And there it is. You're meeting Victoria Town Clock. And a little explanation of what's been going on with that town project with Ken Patterson.
Clock tone, the volume that you hear, is the area was meant for people to sit and enjoy the clock area. And, we can be turned up louder than this, but it was meant to be an area where you could sit and not have it blaring at you.
Right.
So that's the reason why it's at a lower tone. We have it set that way for out of respect for businesses that are in operation during the day.
Sure.
And also out of respect for the individuals that may be sitting there when the clock starts tolling.
Right. Exactly. All from streetscape improvement.